welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Jasmine. If you are not new here, hey girl, welcome back to the channel. And if you have not already, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you are notified whenever a new video goes up. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I will put everything down below in the description bar. Today's video, I will be reviewing some glasses from a company called Fytoo. So kind enough to send me over 5 pair of glasses to review for you all, and I'm excited to get into them. I was in the market for some new fashion glasses, and Fytoo, they came in clutch, they came right on time, and I am just excited. I'm ready, and I'm ready to try them on, and I'm ready for you guys to see them. So if you are interested and you want to see what type of glasses that I have, and if you are in the market looking for some glasses, make sure you keep watching. Fytoo is an online optical store that offers a variety of prescription and non-prescription lenses, and also fashion frames. They were kind enough to send me over 5 pair of non-prescription lenses to try on. So included in your order, you will receive a plethora of things to take care of your glasses. You'll receive this tightening tool to tighten your glasses hinges, pamphlet on how to take care of your glasses, as well as a little eye measurer to measure the size of the glasses that you needed, and also a glass cleaner, and of course your glasses. So my order did take about 12 days to get to me. That did include the shipping and the processing, but it was well worth the wait. When I did receive my order, my glasses were packed to perfection. They were in good condition. Nothing was damaged and everything was perfect. I think these would be the perfect gift, especially with the holiday season right around the corner. If you're struggling to find someone to give, these glasses definitely will be a hit. Okay, so the first pair that I have are these all black fashion glasses. These are so cute. I can already tell that these are going to be like my go-to, my everyday glasses. I love the gold detailing on the frame. It's just super cute, very just minimal and just simple and cute. I'm gonna clean them with the glasses cleaner. These are me, like these are just me. Like, look how cute. Very minimal, but still doing, doing it for me. Like, these are so cute. I love them. They're so sturdy. I feel like these will go with anything. Like, you could dress up or down and these will go. These are definitely like an everyday pair of glasses that you can wear. Definitely on trend. Like, they're very popular. I've seen a lot of like glasses like this all over like social media, up and down my TikTok For You page and everything. These are so like on trend right now. But yeah, I love these. Super simple, but it's still giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, probably my favorites. So the next pair that I have are these green, like olive green shades. I love this color. It's so cute. This is like my current favorite color right now, just this olive green. I'm like getting green and everything. This is my new favorite color. I love this little part. It has like this little detail here and then some little rhinestones, which I think is super cute. So stylish. Again, very sturdy. Like the quality is amazing. Super sturdy. I don't feel like these are gonna break. They don't feel like cheaply made or anything like that. I love it. Okay, y'all, this color is so bomb. Like, y'all see this? I don't think y'all see this. The camera is not even doing this color justice, but it's so cute. Once again, super cute. I love a good oversized like glasses. I love them. I love them. They're so fire. These are so fire. Oh my god. Super cute. She speaks for herself. Like, I don't even have to, she needs no introduction. She speaks for herself. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, so cute. So the next pair that I have are these cheetah print glasses. leopard print, cheetah print, whatever you want to call it. Who doesn't love like a good leopard print moment? These are so cute. Like, look at the detail. This is insane. Like, look at the detail on them. That is insane. Like, it's leopard print to a perfection. Like, they got it right. Again, just Fytoo, y'all did y'all big one with these glasses. The next pair I have are like these clear but like tan cream colored glasses. These are cute as well. Like, I feel like these can be everyday glasses too. I love the detail, the gold, like shimmery detail right here on the frame. Oh no, on the back of the glasses. But like when you put it on, it'll be like on the little part, the air part. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can see, like, if I needed like prescription glasses, I can see me putting a prescription in these because these are so cute. They give like that cat eye too, like that cat, y'all know what I'm talking about? Like that cat eye, like this. Hope y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what they give. They're really cute. I would definitely wear these every day too. Like, I will put, like I said, I will put my prescription in these if I had like a prescription that I needed in glasses. Yeah, these are cute. I love these. I love all of them, to be honest. But these are super cute. These and the black ones, literally every day. I will swap them out every day. These are cute. I love these. There goes that gold detailing right here I was telling y'all about. Yeah, super cute. I love these. And last but not least, I decided to switch it up a little bit and get like these little Y2K sunnies. These are cute. I feel like they're cute for any weather, like any season. I love the like brownish, the ombre from like the darker brown. It gets lighter until it gets clear at the very bottom, and then it has clear, like a clear detail on, what is this called, the leg? I don't know. But it has a clear detail here. And then what I love most is that it has this thing in the middle, so if you wear them for a long period of time, it won't like leave a mark or hurt right here. Love that. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are so cute. Hold on, let me put them all the way on. I ain't even get them all the way on yet. Wow, it's giving Y2K. Wow, these are so cute. Oh, wow. I picked the right glasses. Like, I picked the right ones. Wow, I was nervous about these. I don't know why. These are so cute. Oh wow. Yeah, these eat. I can see me driving, like, yeah, these are so cute. These definitely give me like all the feels of Y2K. Like, yeah, these are cute. Okay, so that is all the glasses that I have today, which means that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in purchasing any of them, all of the information will be linked down below in the description part, as well as Fytoo's information in the social media pages, their website, everything you need to find these glasses and so much more. And if you do decide to purchase any of the glasses, don't forget to use my discount code at checkout for 15% off your entire order, which is Jazmine15. I will also link that down below in the description as well. And until my next video, I will be seeing you guys later. Bye.